Hello everybody! In this video we're going to talk about multiplying a monomial by a binomial, and we're going to look at example 2. And in example 2 what we need to do is multiply each monomial by a binomial using distributive property. Okay, so what we're going to do is look at example A first. And in example A we have 2 multiplied by 3x plus 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to first multiply this 2 by the 3x, and that will give us 6x. We then have to also multiply the 2 by this positive 1, and that will give us positive 2. So our answer here is simply 6x plus 2. When we move over to question B, we have 2x multiplied by 3x plus 1. So we'll do the same distributive property and we'll multiply 2x by 3x. That will give us 6x squared. Then we will multiply the 2x by the positive 1, which will give us 2x. So our answer for question B is 6x squared plus 2x.